Hi, my name is Katie Kennedy, and I'm one of the RN Lactation Consultants at Pediatric Associates of the Northwest. I'm also a mom of 3 boys. And with spring break approaching and potential planning of summer getaways, I thought I would come on here and give you some of my tips for traveling with a baby or toddler. Of course, this list is not extensive, so feel free to leave in the comments anything that's worked or maybe hasn't worked for your family when traveling with a little one. Number 1, packing. Just make sure that you have the essentials: diapers, wipes, clothing, burp cloths, and if you are flying and bringing on a carry-on, pack extra of those essentials because there's always a potential for a delay and spit up and blowouts happen. I would also recommend bringing an extra top for yourself because those fluids don't always stay contained. Number 2, when you are booking your stay, call ahead and see if they can provide any baby gear for you. That could be a crib or a pack and play, bottle warmer, maybe they have blackout shades, but anything that's going to make your destination accommodations feel more like home and also so that you can pack less. If you want to hear more of my tips, just stay tuned for part 2.